Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can wash your hair one time a week and not have it look greasy and dirty and disgusting. So these are tips I use every week. I wash my hair one time a week and I swear doing this, it's going to make your hair so much healthier, and I will explain to you why in the video. So let's go ahead and get started. So I used to be one of those girls who would wash their hair every single day. And that is when my hair looked like this, okay? I now have this hair, and it's because I have changed my ways, and I will never go back to my old ways, that's for sure. So yeah, back in the day when people would tell me they only wash their hair like 1 to 2 times a week, I'd be like, ooh, that's gross. I bet your hair stinks. And that is just far from it. If you're washing your hair too much, then you're stripping your hair of its natural oils, which can lead to breakage, which doesn't help when you're trying to grow out your hair. And it can also lead to really dry, brittle hair, and we don't want that. We are team healthy hair around here. Another reason you should not be overwashing is because if you're someone like me who colors their hair every, 3 months, and you spend a lot of money like I do, you don't want to overwash because then your color is fading. You want to try to prolong that color as long as possible. Overwashing, like I said earlier, it can make your hair look dull. It can make it feel dry, just really brittle, which, if you want healthy, beautiful, shiny locks, then just stop washing it as frequently. Try washing it maybe 2 times a week or 3 times a week. There's really no need to wash your hair every single day, in my opinion. So overwashing your hair, contrary to belief, it can actually make your hair greasier. Overwashing your hair can cause the scalp to be drier, so then it's causing your hair to think that it needs to produce more oil to compensate, so that is why your hair is getting greasy. And my last point here is overwashing can also dry out your scalp. Between the hot water and the shampoo, the overwashing, it can lead to flakiness, dandruff. No one wants, Parmesan cheese coming out of their hair. Believe it or not washing your hair as much can help your hair be less oily over time. Trust me, I know it sounds crazy, but just bear with me here. So I'm just gonna show you how I wash my hair and just kind of the process that I use. First thing I do, I use a detoxifying shampoo. So if I do use products in my hair, like dry shampoo, even shampoos, those cause buildup. I like to use this once a week every time I wash my hair. So I want to do a quick break and talk to you about this product right here. So this is the Tangle Teezer Scalp Exfoliator and Massager, and I love this product so much. So this is a dual purpose tool, and it's suitable on dry hair or wet hair. And I'm going to show a clip here of me using it on my wet hair. I'm actually using it here with shampoo, and I'm using it as an exfoliator. So you can see here the flexible teeth. They help exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin cells and product buildup that can dim your hair's shine. So this is what it looks like. It fits just right in the palm of my hand. It is super lightweight and super comfortable to hold. So the handle-free design allows for desired control of pressure. Like I said, you can use this on wet or dry hair. I'm going to use it on my dry hair right now, even though I just showed a clip of me using it on wet hair. So the shorter teeth on this hit pressure points, allowing for a nice, deep, relaxing massage. So how to use the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager by Tangle Teezer. So what you want to do is just move the tool against your scalp in circular motions for up to 3 minutes. Like I said, you can use on wet hair in the shower with or without shampoo as an exfoliator, or you could use it on dry hair as a massage tool on the scalp pressure points. So this is not suitable for a sensitive scalp or if you have broken skin. Not suitable if you have hair extensions. It's not suitable for using this for detangling or for use with heat. So use it correctly, and I promise this thing is amazing. So I'm going to show you a clip here of what my hair looks like after I use this brush. So you can see here how shiny and beautiful my hair truly looks. So make sure you check out the Tangle Teezer Scalp Exfoliator and Massager. In my description box, I'll be sure to link it for you guys, and definitely make sure you get it. This is a go-to when I shower or just when I want a nice little scalp massage. So to finish up my shower routine, I just put in conditioner from the midpoint of my hair down to my ends, and then I finish off with a hair mask. And I do this once a week every time that I wash. And depending how oily your hair actually gets, you may need to wash another time, so maybe twice or 3 times. So one thing that I've learned over the year is the proper way to use dry shampoo. I'm sure most of us, like me, I used to do this all the time. When my hair would get greasy, that is when I would use dry shampoo. And I would have to spray a ton of dry shampoo, practically half the bottle, to try to get rid of my grease. Well, I'm here to show you a trick that I learned from a hairstylist, and I'm obsessed with it. So I just washed my hair today. There's no product buildup, there's no grease. It's just very shiny and smooth. And that is the best time to apply dry shampoo. So here's my dry shampoo. I just apply it in layers after my hair is dry from washing. Just take a layer, spray it. Take a layer, spray it. Spray it at my roots, spray it up here in the back. Just anywhere you would normally see grease. Just kind of shake it in. So when your hair starts to get greasy, instead of just making your hair greasy right away, the dry shampoo is going to come into place, and it's going to start absorbing that dry shampoo first before it makes your hair greasy, if that makes sense. And trust me, it works. I'm going to post a video of my hair. This is actually day 5. Day 5, and it honestly, I mean, it needs styled, it needs like curled a little bit, put in a braid or something, but you can see my hair does not look that greasy. It does not look that bad. I could easily go another probably 2 days before it would start looking, you know, a little bad. And honestly, I don't like to go more than 5-6 days without washing my hair. Then I just feel like it needs some type of moisture. It just doesn't feel good. So that's another tip. Your hair needs moisture. So one thing I do every single night, is I apply an oil from about the midpoint of my hair all the way down to my ends. I'm just gonna take an oil, put it in my hand, rub it in. Normally I would do this right before bed, but I'm just gonna show you guys in this video. Since it's not nighttime, but I would just work it in like this. Then I always just put my hair back and I wrap it in a very loose bun. We don't want a really tight constricted bun. So I wrap it in a loose bun, and then I take a silk scrunchie. I don't tie it on tight, just very loose enough to just kind of hold it there, and I go to sleep. And I wake up and my hair is nice and hydrated. Another tip for greasy hair is stop touching your hair. Think about all the things that your hands touch throughout the day, and then you're taking your fingers and you're putting it through your hair, you're messing with your hair. That's causing grease. That we don't want that. And I doubt any of us are washing our hands, you know, every second of the day before we touch our hair. So try to reduce the amount. If possible, just don't even touch your hair throughout the day. That's going to help with, you know, not making your hair so greasy. Another tip I have is wash your brushes. Wash them. So you got to think, after you get your hair nice and clean and you're blow drying it, you're using your brush that has a bunch of oils in it and you're spreading those oils on your hair. Wash your brushes. I'm going to show you how.
So this may not be the right way, but it's my way. So I like to take water and vinegar. I measure with my heart. And then I also like to include just baking soda. And this is kind of a recipe I use to clean everything around my house. So I take out the hair from my brushes, and then I just soak them in this water mixture for about 20 minutes. And then you'll see in a minute what that water looks like. So I'm just going to take my brushes out here. You can see there's hair and just weird, gross stuff floating around. And the water did look a little bit murky too. So then I rinse off my brushes and they're nice and clean.
So my last tip is to just use good quality products. I'm not saying all drugstore products are bad, because they're not, but a lot of them have silicone, sulfates, and alcohol. So these products really just end up clogging your hair follicle and stripping it dry. That's it. I've got Nasher with me. Say bye. Knox is on the couch. He does not want to be a part of my videos anymore. He's too big, but I can still make this one during my videos for now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Please subscribe. We're almost to 200K, and leave a comment. I appreciate it seriously so much. It means the world to me. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.